let's start without any doubt. But doing five kingdom classification and compare with other country, other classification you have studied. So answer is R.H. Victier proposed in 1969 five kingdom classification. The kingdom classification have communicated in terms of Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantia, and Animalia. The main criteria making by using a different way. First one is called cell structure. Cell structure or complexity of cell is divided into prokaryote and eukaryote. Prokaryote is prokaryote's complexity is very low. Of the prokaryote cell floating around their biomolecules. Eukaryotes divided into Protista, Fungi, Animalia, and Plantia. Complexity is chemically more chemically is organized, more organized. Thallus structure organization. Complexity is complexity of body of organism. Thallus structure is divided into the two types: multicellular and unicellular. Unicellular is divided into Monera and Protista. Multicellular divided into Fungi, Animalia, and Plantia. Mode of nutrition is type of autotrophic, heterotrophic, and autotrophic and autotrophic and heterotrophic. We also known as autotrophic. Also known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. This method or organization or shelter make its own food by a simple inorganic materials such as water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, salts in the presence of sunlight. We also know that heterotrophic. It is the process organism depends upon their food and shelter to other organisms. In Monera and Protista, both autotrophic and heterotrophic included. Phylogenetic relationship, direction of evolution. Kingdom Plantia, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is highly evolved, less primitive, and kingdom Monera is less evolved, highly primitive. Mode of reproduction by means of conjugation. Monera. Conjugation in Monera, Syngame, conjugation in Protista. Fertilization included all the genus of Plantia, Animalia. Mode of reproduction takes place by different term. First one is called conjugation. We also know that conjugation is the transfer of the DNA directly from one cell to another cell. In the presence of contact, there are some demerits in this classification system. First one is called viroids and prions and lichen are not maintenance. Some kingdom are placed in kingdom Protista. Their name are called as Chlorella and Chlamydomonas. After their demerits, Cards linear are proposed to kingdom classification. These names are known in terms of written in terms of two kingdom classification. Kingdom Plantia. In this kingdom Plantia, in this kingdom don't have a photosynthetic organelle, and it doesn't move. There is don't move. Kingdom Animalia, kingdom Monera are called as non-photosynthetic. Demerits. Fungi are evolutionary more closer to Animalia, but they are placed in Plantia because they don't move. Also have this theory have don't proved information like mode of reproduction and cellular organization. So after this demerits, three domain classification system are proposed. In this three domain classification system, Carls have been proposed three domain classification. He should give all the organisms are classified on the basis of a square of rRNA. We also study about in class 12th rRNA means ribosomal RNA. It is very stable RNA. Molecular weight is about 4,000 to 10 million Dalton, 4,000 million Dalton to 10,000 million Dalton. Organism on the basis of rRNA, it is divided into archaea, bacteria, eukarya. Archaea is called included archaeobacteria, bacteria included Monera, and eubacteria have been not included any organism. So our concept is end. The next video is coming soon.